Tenant states our front loading washer won't spin the clothes out. So usually when I see any issues with the front loading washers, it's with the drain filters. So let's pop that out of there, take a look. I also noticed some concrete fell out of here when I popped this pan off. Never seen that before. And there's our problem. Someone lost a sock. Got it filling up with water. We're gonna check everything else out. That's about 100 pounds of concrete that sit in it just to keep the whole thing balanced. Then I noticed this weird noise. That's the sound of the motor spinning, but the barrel is refusing to spin. And the barrel is locked up. Let's pop the back off, take a look. All that black stuff, that is rubber from the motor doing a burnout on the belt. Dang, that is really unfortunate. That rear bearing is completely seized up. Whether water got in there or the grease just ran out, no matter what, the bearing, is toast and isn't allowing it to spin. So, unfortunately, we're going to button it all up and trash this unit. It ain't worth putting a bearing in it. So, on to the next one.